Hey guys, welcome to Tech Brew. So earlier this morning, Nintendo just released the all-new Nintendo Switch OLED model, and it's going to be available on October 8th of this year. Nobody was expecting this, but it's actually going to be retailing at $349.99 US, which really isn't too bad of a price, but there aren't too many changes with this new Nintendo Switch. But for the changes that there are, I think the $50 price increase kind of does make a lot of sense. Now, it isn't probably going to be replacing the original Switch, but it is just going to be alongside it for people who do want a better display. So obviously the big new thing is the 7-inch OLED display, which should just have a lot better colors, better contrast, and it just should be a lot better. There is also a new wide adjustable stand, and you might actually be able to use this stand while you're charging your Nintendo Switch OLED. So we'll have to see how this works, but it seems like there is kind of a spot to route a cable. Now there is also a new built-in wired LAN port, so you can actually just use your Nintendo Switch OLED with a wired connection when it is docked to your TV. The storage has also been increased to 64 gigs, and that's another great addition. So it means that you'll be able to have a lot more games without having to go and buy more storage. The audio system has also been enhanced a little bit, and it seems like it might be just a little bit better. And just like the regular Switch, you can use it in the TV mode, tabletop mode, and the handheld mode. The Joy-Cons, for the most part, do look very similar, and there aren't really any changes to them besides the fact that there's this new color available for the Nintendo Switch OLED model. Now, just like the regular Nintendo Switch, you can actually get it in the neon red blue kind of color if you did want to get that. But there is also this new white color for people who want something kind of new. The dock also has a new refresh kind of design, and it does seem like that the new Nintendo Switch OLED is a little bit thicker, so it might have slightly better cooling. So it might lead to slightly better performance, but we'll have to see if there is actually any better performance. But yeah, that's it for today's video on the Nintendo Switch OLED. Hope you guys liked today's video, but yeah, that's it for today's video.